See, Visual Studio is one of the very simple and easiest software you can learn it. This is your Visual Studio. I opened it. You may ask me a question, sir, why you are using the older version of Visual Studio 2010? This is one of the most stable version in the Visual Studio history, and we got a lot of versions in the upcoming, like in the next generation. But for application development, this is one of the apt. That is why, like, I am preferring Visual Studio 2010. The other one is like we need a high-end, like operating system, high-end machines to work out with the other technology, like upgraded Visual Studio. The entire computer will be slowed down if we have the recent version of Visual Studio, because it is cloud compatible one. Now I got my Visual Studio C#. took my Windows application. This is the application which I want to create. Now I'll go to my browse window. I got my D drive. I got my Wincut project. Inside the project, I'm going to create an application. First application. Visual Studio is a very simple one, and creating an application becomes real simple. I'm going to show you like how a form is created. Okay, here is the project created, and you got the application ready. You got your Visual Studio. Good boy. Visual Studio is awesome. Okay, so you got your form 1 here. Sir, I don't want that form 1, sir. I want this login page, sir. Right click, and I'll try to rename it. I'll make it as login page.cs. So do you want to change? Yes, I want to change it, sir. You should have .cs here. Okay, now like over here, right click, properties. I want to have my back color, so change the colors. Okay, so I want to change this color. That's good. I got the color. So if you are doing a project, don'ts. What are the things you should not do? What are the things you should not do? Don't give the topic or project name what we gave to you. Modify the project name. Don't give the abstract what we gave. If you are not understanding any lines in the abstract, clear, remove it, delete that line. Make sure you know all the lines given in the abstract. Don't call me back and ask me. Instead, you know the project. Modify the content. The thumb rule is don't take whatever we are giving and submit. Work on the content and modify it. This is your project and it should be your abstract. So at the end, while publishing the paper for the project, modified abstracts will be very useful for you. Third thing, in case of Visual Studio or .Net or Java project, modify the pictures, modify the colors to make it more interactive and superb user interface. So I got this color, so I gave this yellow color to you. Don't have the yellow color, right click, properties, change it. This is your project now. My yellow color is my project and this color is your project, man. Or else you can go to Google, check for, I want to create a login page, login page, images. Yes, I got some good forms here. Yes, I got the form. Now I'll go here, right click, properties, background image, import, desktop, yes, I got the login form ready. Zoom. Yes, I got the toolbox here. I need the text box. Right click, properties. The name of the text box is username. And another text box. भानु पाल இருக்கா? Okay, background color. Yes, now the picture is ready. Like I got the design, fantastic. Now I use the existing picture and I modified a little bit. Submit. Saved it. Now to run this application, first thing you need to build it. So I built this one. Now I'm going to run this one. Looks good. My login page is ready. If you want a label, yes, you can put a label here. Where is my label? I got my label here. Place the label here. I need another label. Place it here. Right click, properties. I'll make it as username and make it as password. Now yeah, I got this one. Right click, properties. You need the back color. Yes, I made the back color white, and the name of this one should be password. Now I got the form ready. Like I need another form. Right click, properties, Windows form. I'll try to give another form over here. I got my login page, my inbox page. You got the inbox page here. So here is the inbox page. Now the username is, I need to give username and password. On clicking this submit button, I can write the code. Okay, so button 1 click. So on clicking this one, button 1 click, string username is equal to, this is the one, my text box name is username dot name. It's username, right? Yes, username dot text. I got my string pwd, which is equal to password okay, so string password equal to, this is the one dot text. Whatever text I typed it will come here. If of uname is equal to admin and password is equal to admin. I'm trying to give you a message box dot show user is verified valid user. Now I need to go to the form inbox page. Inbox is equal to new inbox page. Inbox dot show. Now I'm trying to run it. The username is admin, password is admin, submit button, user is verified, valid user. You got the inbox page. Sir, I want to hide this one, sir. So this hide. And if I run this one, so this will be hidden, and afterwards that page is coming. That's good. Now, so I give something, sir. I give something, sir. What will do, sir? Nothing is happening. In that case, I need a else loop. So I'll have an else loop. So .NET C# programming is very simple. From there C++ comes, from there your C# comes. So if you know C and C++, you can write this code very easily. So I need a message box. Invalid user. Invalid user. Oh, let's run it. If it's a valid user, yes, this is how your project is created. Now you got an idea like the basics of .NET environment. Thank you.